Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is about the right click of your mouse button or your right mouse button. If I select all these, instead of going up and Control G or Object and group them, I can just right click and there's group right there, I can group them. If I right click, I can power clip into that power clip, all with my one mouse in my one hand. Of course, you can go to Object, Group, and Ungroup. You can power clip, but a lot of times you forget, is power clip under Objects or under Effects? So with this, you right click, power clip's right there. We can ungroup this from here. Select it all, right click. Let me select it all again. And then right click, and there's your group. We could combine it. We could convert it to curves. We can delete it with this button. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.